brought me out. He brought me out. He did it. He brought me out. Did it,
Woo! We're going to get this word in a minute, but you better get your praise in. Go! I need those of you, I need you to be encouraged and tell yourself that God's getting ready to turn the king's heart. This is the time you're getting ready to see some miracles. You're getting ready to see some blessings. You're getting ready to see some things that are uncommon. Some things that when you look at it, the only thing you're going to be able to say is that's the hand of God. Because when God puts his hands in it, nobody can do anything about it. When God puts his hands in it, when God gets his hands on it, he's going to do it. I've come to tell you, some of you look at things, I look at forensic files, I look at court TV, and sometimes people are caught just by a fingerprint. Well, I've come to tell you, God's getting ready to put his fingerprints all over your situation. Clap
your hands, praise. Clap your hands and praise. Clap your hands and praise. Come on and praise. Come on and praise. Come on and hear. Come on and hear. Come on and hear. Come on and hear. Woke you up this morning. Start you on your way. In your right mind. Eyes to see. Ears to hear. That's the one. Now to come. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Lord, I love you. Give you glory. Lord, I worship and adore. Hallelujah. 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 I will bless the Lord at all times. His praise, his praise, his praise, his praise shall continually be in my mouth.
Since you're here, I'll do this. I dare you, turn around. Bishop Hankerson, every time I turn around, he keeps on blessing me. Every time I turn around, he keeps on making a way. He keeps on opening doors. He keeps on lifting me, and I'm gonna praise him.
Praise your name. Hey, we bless you, God. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Praise him, praise him, praise him. Praise the Lord.
I feel it.